apart from here I knew about the history, the name, social culture, Iheakpu Awka, I need to Akatakpa. My nature mabe. Yabu, your social life. Kaisheme. Do you get it? I need Egba. Egba. Egba Akatakpa. Diche. Or it's your mabe, Diche. Me or mama in with identity. No matter that near they may be kita. Akatakpa in with identity. Like Mfuta, kita. Akatakpa yes. But only waste some time. The man Akatakpa because no more identity, no more cage Maria. Man, here maybe no more takere kita. Go mark this culture, maybe by OJ Luguizke. Onata Akatakpa. Go Akatakpa hab. Adanu Obollo-Afor. You take Akatakpa hab. More case acquire. Dichi. Like it happened with Mabuji. And then we are Mabe Oji. Omaba na docha. But Omabe Baba na buy you call Mabuji, which is a Mabo. I just know it. Oh, the mark, or they can Mabuji na mark by break, or better mass here. Never hear Mabo Mabe happen. Go return higher because you know repercussion. Because you are dealing with the spirits, and you have imported it. Ne uvukungoro mabocha na maboji hapungoro mabocha also, but you saw maboji on all chumutakere ga mari ha eneku with the course. So Iheakpu Awka nwere egba. I nwere egba uke. I nwere egba ochala. Can you see it? Ogonne iya uche egba. And hencha nwo nwesa. Iye manye na kwata nwechiri time. And get shift. And get shift. That it's already no with the time. If the man outside it, you are looking for trouble. Because you are dealing with his spirits. Do you get it? Oh child, I'm with a good child. I'm with a ig. A bank ig na Iheakpu Awka. What it means in the adashi. Then Obona asị na akpọtụ ig ya bụ fegwela asụsụ ọzọ na you gutere na. You gutere abala. You gutere ji. Do you get it? Ya bụ mkpọtụ ig. Maka na ya na egwe bụ asụsụ, egwe arịbọ. Ya bụ asị mkpọtụ ig. Ọ bụ particular day, made the ceremony na di kpara ya harvest stare ihe ọkọrọ. Do you get it? Ihe ma bụcha interesting tradition. Dịcha na-eme agadi happy because anreme ha m na-agwa na ọ bụ igutu na echicheri mbịata na ebe iwote nke gị we share. Do you get it? You come to my own house enwote nke mu we share. Otu aka dey move from house to house with ụmụntakịrị. So that is what existed. Ya m na-asị gị na nsogbu a na-enwe kịta bụ ihe a eka m na-ekwu na nsogbu anyị na-enwe ọchwa bụ na chọọchị abịa na condemn cha ihe, but to me they lightened. The tradition is not paganism. Hana babu the same thing. Obgi hojo tradition abi ho. Yeah, like otu am na akọwa na go na na dey make egbuke iguto na eshime mbiri. What is wrong about it? Onwere dey wrong about it.
Onye ga mag nwane yo mara nwane in egban.
Since these things are dying off now. No mutakaya maka mamune. Because in those you bring in your children, grandchildren, iluriji ikpondi nke bia. Ada ikpondi nke bia. Hene eguri na eme onwe. No papa na mama ga happy na ahụ ụmụ he. But these things the church is now condemning that. Though no effort na and make effort to bring these things back. To me, now what I preach, but refinement, not condemnation. Not condemnation, but can I refine there? Can they make it go no nenyeka? So that is that. So neba in the mechi am so usually eba. Yeah, neba na social culture. Ne aho Iheakpu Awka na eriche the dates, months. Imagine our own calendar. For one Iheakpu Awka about 30 days. More about 31 days, no 80 days. So yeah, in the year 13 months, not 12 months. Now our own Iheakpu Awka calendar. I am a calendar Iheakpu Awka. Ya na aga abugo nke ndo Igbo. Ke ndo Igbo na aga 30, 31. occasion maybe February they say 28, 29, but near and again kind 28 days. So yeah, kind of account. Meeting I say on Wesa, na marangbo dollar. I say on wite na I man according to Iheakpu Awka calendar. That is that. It does ni ọzọ ihe ahụ na ekwa, which is a summary of ihu n'chọkọ. Anyị the gregarious. We move out a lot. We move out a lot. In fact, Ibia n'Igbo Nsukka as a whole, no one going to travel to Iheakpu Awka. Only any part of Nigeria, you will not find only Iheakpu Awka. In terms now, we are about 87 branches. I answer abroad. That is, Ije Niger State, you see Iheakpu Awka. Ije Kano, you see Iheakpu Awka. In fact, if you are running every group organizer anywhere in Nigeria, go close. Do you get it? Onye ni huru bonye Nsukka no yeku ebe obli huru organizer in Nigeria, go close. Ijo iro so na Iheakpu Awka. Maka na isura ni but iso na Iheakpu Awka ni man oboni Iheakpu Awka. Ya musa na the gregarious. We move out a lot. But I inform of these branches muna agwa ga the mezi annual mass return. Nke this year na oboni chori ikere anya bia 25th of October. 25th. In the field. All a season to showcase achievement. That time you see beautiful girls. What do they decorate to get married? Do you get it? Rose now clear. You see mini shops. Do you get it? People will celebrate their cars, celebrate houses, funeral ceremonies, marriages. Then is economic boom for Nsukka Lile. Because that time, abroad in Iheakpu Awka. Who are you to say that? And it is going to influence whatever you sell. We buy with that time and they go to 50,000 naira. Because all the issue, only abroad, maybe only like palm wine for 1 year or latazia. In a good price, you want to no good the price. No, okay. So that is the Iheakpu Awka I'm talking about. So we move out a lot. We any part of Nigeria, I think I'm not going to branch, but we come back once a year, celebrate it. Now, we have it outside the country. In Ije Bene, we still have our abroad there. Even Bene. No, that you working with 10 branches depending on location. If you go Malaysia, Togo, you still see our abroad there. So, and the beautiful aspect of it is that's how we develop. I actually me I send no outside. Take this. No. Take this. Do you get it? And it is compulsory. We are even trying to introduce something. No, only Iheakpu Awka give me save little lose among Makana Obogoni Iheakpu Awka na boundary as which may has. Unless you prove Niboni Iheakpu Awka. If you don't prove, I say take your course back. In the develop, be buried there. So that is the summary of even the development trends. The Agwa should develop from Munyala. Ogele. We used to have Ogele ponds. Ogele, if you see Ogele there, when you open, you see the picture. Because in every home then, which is Ogele, Munina Balana, Ana Akwaya, Awinite. Do you get it? But it's no longer like that. It's a development. The trend is going from that Ogele, and I change Kitazi in with a tap water. But we still have to recognize Nimwemba and Shibidote. That's why you should see a picture of Ogele. I na kwota munyi then. Why na enwe ezoro in our dialect bo. Ne bosha na kwota Ogele na ebe gba ebu. You don't have to go and cream in Ogele. Na announce ya. As na kwota munyi echile. No mu nwa lilu mutakili odu na ekporo then men will enter Ogele. Ekite akwo enaga evulata. Ina awushi ya na ezoro. Ina awushi ya na ezoro. Ezoro ahụ na o nwere ya na plant na-eji ya na ike abaruba. Yes. nwere tiri anike abara ụgba ọ dịka umbrella ọ na-abịa na-asa ihe a na-akịnị ya bụ mgbe ọ nọ na anwa ga-echi mmiri ahụ ọgụ na-eji oyi so you see the picture of abara ụgba there ihe ahụ ite ahụ m na-ekwu ebe ọ dị ebe ọ na-echichi ahụ a na-ekete but this time around na oyibe otemena anyị mmụnye so that ogele is dying off because enweghị need for it abara ụgba is dying off enweghị need for it because the tap water can reach everywhere is a trend ije ebe a in education mgbe mbụ na anyị agụchideghị akwụkwọ ike there was a time ọ na-asọta anyị ihere because we are not liberty we have professors scattered. In fact, I with doctors in different fields now. We have professors. We have people, graduates everywhere. It wasn't like that. That is easier here. Even here, the first woman to pass standard 6, Iheakpu Awka, is here. The first woman. Go and get married. Go and get married. But now, first woman. Keshi Agata Ekwane by Jemima Asogwa is alive.
She's alive.
Yes. Born alive in Soka.
First woman and good Iheakpu.
Standard 6. Jemima Asogwa. Bena is to all be close to each year. He's alive. You don't know then go round about in a beje the Kwamahenswe. He's a widow now. Yeah, it is there. In fact, it's a table. It's a table. It's a table build. The first woman to get certificate 6 is there. The first man is there. The first to get WAEC is there. TC2, all these things. How about the present day world? It was weird. So because I come back to Iheakpu Awka, Nima Lata.